2016 Audi S4 supercharged. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got all the stock converters and the secondary converters right there. Then earlier in the year, we did an X pipe instead of the resonator delete. And then we just did a muffler delete right there and right there, and put some quad tips on it. Some 4-inch big boys right there and right there. Came out really beautiful, really nice. There's the mufflers. That's how you do a muffler delete on these, and a resonator delete. S4 supercharged. 2013 Audi S7 QUATTRO. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it for you guys and girls. Got factory converters somewhere right beside the motor on each side. Then they come true dual. We put an X pipe in. Then we did a resonator delete. He had a little bit of damaged pipe there, so we replaced all of it for him. And we left the stock rear mufflers there and there. And the stock tips right there and right there. Depends on how loud it is, he might do the rest of it. We'll see. There's the resonators we took off. And they are resonators. See? So you guys don't think that we're taking cats off. 2 resonators and a middle resonator or middle muffler. Depends on what you guys want to call them. Right there. So there it is. That's how you do it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's sick, bro. Those tips are perfect for it too. Off, man. It's too quiet.
That's because
again, sound decibels again. I would have, police would have done a little bit more than that. It's not changing at all. Hello? I didn't get a front view of it. Oh. Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
That's sick. Beast mode.
Bro, it's like a chain.
V8 turbo.